Hello everyone, welcome to Science Made Easy. In the last video, we have discussed about different cell organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, ribosomes, peroxisomes, etc. In this video, we shall study about vacuole, centriole, nucleus, mitochondria, plastids. Firstly, vacuole. In this picture, you can see a plant cell. The blue portion is the vacuole. In plant cells, vacuole is relatively big, and in animal cells it is relatively small. The content of the vacuole is called as cell sap, which is relatively less dense than the cytoplasm. The membrane of the vacuole is tonoplast. In plant cell, vacuoles help in maintaining internal water balance, and in animal cell it helps to sequester waste products. The next organelle is centriole. This is the picture of the centriole. Centrioles are seen in animal cells only. They are always found in a pair. The function of the centriole is formation of spindle apparatus. This spindle apparatus helps in cell division. New centrioles originate from pre-existing centrioles. Transverse section of a centriole. This is how a centriole looks in its transverse section. It has 9 peripheral fibrils. Each fibril is made up of 3 microfibrils. And there is one microfibril at the center. The inner microfibril of each of the 9 peripheral fibrils is connected with the outer microfibril of a neighboring fibril. That is, in the picture you can see a peripheral named ABC from interior to the exterior. The A of one fibril is connected with the C of other fibril. And all these peripheral fibrils are joined to the central microfibril through spokes. There is a central hub. The next organelle is nucleus. This is the structure of the nucleus. Nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown. It is called as controlling center of the cell because it has genes and chromosomes in it. Usually there is a single nucleus in a cell, but multinucleate condition is seen in some protozoa and fungi. It is composed of DNA, RNA and protein. There are 3 main parts in nucleus. These are nuclear envelope, nucleolus and chromatin. We shall see in details. Nuclear envelope. It is a double layer outer boundary of the nucleus. It has perinuclear space. This space is between the 2 layers of the nuclear envelope, which is 200 angstroms thickness. There are pores in nuclear envelope called as nuclear pores. They help in direct connection between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. It is composed of lipoprotein. Now let's see what are the functions of the nuclear envelope. It protects the chromosomes in the nucleus from cytoplasmic effects. It helps in transport and exchange of material between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. And some cell organelles like endoplasmic reticulum take their origin from nuclear envelope. The second part is nucleolus. These are the spherical bodies in nucleus. They are composed of RNA, proteins and small amount of DNA. Functions of nucleolus. It helps in formation of ribosomes. It helps in synthesis of RNA. Chromatin. Mass of nuclear chromosome is called as chromatin. It is composed of DNA, RNA, proteins. Chromatin is the basic unit of chromosome and fundamental basis of inheritance. It has genes in it. The next organelle is mitochondria. In this picture you can see the structure of mitochondria. It is called as powerhouse of the cell because most of the ATP is synthesized in mitochondria. Origin of mitochondria. There are 2 views about the origin of mitochondria. The first view is self-replication capacity. That is, new mitochondria originate from pre-existing mitochondria. And the second view is from nuclear envelope. That is, it originates from nuclear envelope. There are 3 main parts of mitochondria. These are membranes, cristae, matrix. Let's see the details of these parts. Membranes. Mitochondria has 2 concentric unit membranes. Each membrane is 60 angstroms thick. The next part is cristae. The inner membrane folds to form cristae. The third part is matrix. The space inside the cristae is called as matrix. There are several DNA molecules in this matrix. Enzymes of Krebs cycle are present in matrix of mitochondria. What are the functions of mitochondria? It is the site for many cellular respirations, and it plays an important role in cytoplasmic inheritance because it has DNA in it. The next organelle is plastids. Self-replicating cytoplasmic organelles in plant cells are called as plastids. There are three types of plastids: leucoplasts, chromoplasts, chloroplasts. Leucoplasts, these are colorless and they help in storage of starch, protein and fats. Chromoplasts, the pigments like fucoxanthin, phycocyanin come under chromoplasts. They impart color to the plant parts. Chloroplasts, these are green and are associated with photosynthesis. The origin of these plastids is from proplastids and these are interchangeable. Now let's learn clearly about chloroplasts. This is the structure of the chloroplasts. Chloroplasts contain green pigment called as chlorophyll. These are the sites of photosynthesis. The origin of chloroplasts. Again, there are two views about the origin of chloroplasts. The first is from proplastids and the second view is from pre-existing chloroplastids. Chloroplasts have three main parts. They include membranes, stroma and grana. The first part is membranes. Chloroplasts have two concentric unit membranes. The outer membrane is permeable whereas the inner membrane is impermeable. The second part is stroma. The space inside the inner membrane is called as stroma. Stroma contains enzymes related to dark reaction of photosynthesis. The third part is grana. The cylindrical structures in stroma are called as grana. Grana consists of 5 to 25 cisterns that are stacked on one another called as thylakoids. The grana are interconnected by intergrana lamella or stroma lamella. Grana contain enzymes of light reaction of photosynthesis. Now let's see some important points. Cell was discovered by Robert Hooke. The nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown. Golgi complex was discovered by Camillo Golgi. Richard Altman was the first to recognize mitochondria as the cell organelle. Lysosomes were discovered by Christian de Duve. Antony von Leeuwenhoek is credited by discovery of vacuole. The plastid term was coined by Ernest Haeckel. Mitochondria are called as powerhouse of the cell. Lysosomes are called as suicidal bags of the cell. This is all about today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching and keep supporting Science Made Easy.